初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
Are you kidding me right now?
Are you kidding me right now?
你现在是在跟我开玩笑吗？
Are you kidding me right now?
Are you kidding me right now?
You've got to be joking.
You've got to be joking.
你一定是在开玩笑。
You've got to be joking.
You've got to be joking.
I can't believe this happened.
I can't believe this happened.
我简直不敢相信这发生了。
I can't believe this happened.
I can't believe this happened.
This makes no sense at all.
This makes no sense at all.
这完全说不通。
This makes no sense at all.
This makes no sense at all.
You've got to be more careful.
You've got to be more careful.
你必须更加小心。
You've got to be more careful.
You've got to be more careful.
What were you even thinking?
What were you even thinking?
你到底在想什么？
What were you even thinking?
What were you even thinking?
That's not how it's supposed to go.
That's not how it's supposed to go.
事情不应该是这样的。
That's not how it's supposed to go.
That's not how it's supposed to go.
Don't tell me this again.
Don't tell me this again.
别再跟我说这个了。
Don't tell me this again.
Don't tell me this again.
I'm seriously done with this.
I'm seriously done with this.
我真的受够了。
I'm seriously done with this.
I'm seriously done with this.
You said that last time too.
You said that last time too.
你上次也是这么说的。
You said that last time too.
You said that last time too.
That's not what you promised.
That's not what you promised.
这不是你承诺的。
That's not what you promised.
That's not what you promised.
I told you this would happen.
I told you this would happen.
我告诉过你会这样的。
I told you this would happen.
I told you this would happen.
Can we just not do this today?
Can we just not do this today?
我们今天能不能不做这个？
Can we just not do this today?
Can we just not do this today?
You always say the same thing.
You always say the same thing.
你总是说同样的话。
You always say the same thing.
You always say the same thing.
I'm speechless, honestly.
I'm speechless, honestly.
老实说，我无语了。
I'm speechless, honestly.
I'm speechless, honestly.
How could this go so wrong?
How could this go so wrong?
怎么会搞成这样？
How could this go so wrong?
How could this go so wrong?
You can't be serious right now.
You can't be serious right now.
你现在不可能是认真的。
You can't be serious right now.
You can't be serious right now.
Please tell me this is a joke.
Please tell me this is a joke.
请告诉我这是个玩笑。
Please tell me this is a joke.
Please tell me this is a joke.
I don't even know what to say.
I don't even know what to say.
我甚至不知道该说什么。
I don't even know what to say.
I don't even know what to say.
That's the third time this week.
That's the third time this week.
这是本周第3次了。
That's the third time this week.
That's the third time this week.
Why does this keep happening?
Why does this keep happening?
为什么这种事一直发生？
Why does this keep happening?
Why does this keep happening?
You've got to be more responsible.
You've got to be more responsible.
你必须更负责任。
You've got to be more responsible.
You've got to be more responsible.
I warned you about this already.
I warned you about this already.
我已经警告过你了。
I warned you about this already.
I warned you about this already.
Can you please explain that again?
Can you please explain that again?
你能再解释一遍吗？
Can you please explain that again?
Can you please explain that again?
That's exactly what I didn't want.
That's exactly what I didn't want.
这正是我不想要的。
That's exactly what I didn't want.
That's exactly what I didn't want.
You can't just walk away now.
You can't just walk away now.
你现在不能就这样走开。
You can't just walk away now.
You can't just walk away now.
That's not how this works.
That's not how this works.
事情不是这样运作的。
That's not how this works.
That's not how this works.
I didn't sign up for this.
I didn't sign up for this.
我没有同意做这个。
I didn't sign up for this.
I didn't sign up for this.
You've made this way too complicated.
You've made this way too complicated.
你把事情搞得太复杂了。
You've made this way too complicated.
You've made this way too complicated.
I literally can't with this anymore.
I literally can't with this anymore.
我真的受不了这个了。
I literally can't with this anymore.
I literally can't with this anymore.
That's not what I expected at all.
That's not what I expected at all.
这完全出乎我的意料。
That's not what I expected at all.
That's not what I expected at all.
I knew this was going to happen.
I knew this was going to happen.
我就知道会这样。
I knew this was going to happen.
I knew this was going to happen.
Can we please fix this later?
Can we please fix this later?
我们能不能稍后再解决？
Can we please fix this later?
Can we please fix this later?
You always make it sound easy.
You always make it sound easy.
你总是说的好像很容易。
You always make it sound easy.
You always make it sound easy.
This is just unbelievable.
This is just unbelievable.
这简直难以置信。
This is just unbelievable.
This is just unbelievable.
You've got to be kidding again.
You've got to be kidding again.
你一定又是在开玩笑。
You've got to be kidding again.
You've got to be kidding again.
I honestly can't deal with this.
I honestly can't deal with this.
老实说，我处理不了这个。
I honestly can't deal with this.
I honestly can't deal with this.
That's not what I heard earlier.
That's not what I heard earlier.
这和我之前听到的不一样。
That's not what I heard earlier.
That's not what I heard earlier.
I don't know how to react.
I don't know how to react.
我不知道该如何反应。
I don't know how to react.
I don't know how to react.
This situation is just ridiculous.
This situation is just ridiculous.
这种情况真是荒谬。
This situation is just ridiculous.
This situation is just ridiculous.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。